Imagine you're about to take off on a flight. Before the engines start, there's always a pre-flight check. The ground crew ensures everything is installed, updated, and safe, because you don't want surprises mid-air. That's exactly what our App Version Validator does for your ServiceNow instances. It's your foundation check, making sure your instance is fully prepared before you start building, testing, or deploying new workflows. The result? You avoid delays, reduce rework, and simplify the AI onboarding process from day one. Let's take a look. Open the App Version Validator directly from its dedicated workspace. This gives you a real-time view of all the apps and plugins required to support Now Assist and Agentic AI use cases, specific to your ServiceNow environment. The validator organizes everything into 5 easy-to-understand sections. Apps pending installation. These are apps or plugins you're entitled to but haven't installed yet. Apps needing updates. Applications that have newer versions available in the ServiceNow store. Apps needing repair. Apps that need repair based on error logs or platform-detected issues. Ongoing updates installations, tracking installs or updates currently in progress. Installed applications, a summary of what's fully installed and ready. And it's smart enough to filter results based on your entitlements, so you only see the apps that are relevant to your Now Assist and Agentic AI setup, whether that's ITSM, CSM, HRSD, or a mix. AI agents operate in real time, constantly scanning your ServiceNow environment to surface what matters, nothing more, nothing less. Each panel comes with an information icon to explain what the actions mean. When you're ready, simply check the apps you want to install, update, or repair, and click Take Action. The AI agent handles the rest, initiating plugin installs, triggering updates, or repairing issues based on configuration. With the App Version Validator, you're not just resolving technical gaps, you're simplifying and accelerating your ServiceNow deployment journey with clarity and control. In one unified view, you validate versions, trigger fixes, and resolve gaps, avoiding delays, reducing rework, and ensuring your environment is ready for seamless deployment. Run the check. Take action. Move forward, smarter, faster, and friction-free. You can also track results and insights from this app directly inside the Now Assist Readiness Evaluation Workspace's analytics page. Learn more about simplifying your ServiceNow AI journey at www.work4flow.com or on the ServiceNow store.